Welcome. Have you ever seen a website promising that you can download more RAM to speed up your computer? It sounds amazing, right? A free upgrade just a click away. Unfortunately, this is one of the oldest myths in computing. Today, we are going to explain exactly why this is impossible and what actually happens inside your computer. First, let's understand what RAM actually is. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Think of it like a workbench in a workshop. Your hard drive is the filing cabinet where you keep everything long-term, but RAM is the table surface where you are actually doing your work right now. The bigger the workbench, the more projects, browser tabs, or game assets you can have open at once without things getting cluttered. The fundamental reason you cannot download RAM is the difference between hardware and software. Software consists of digital code, like apps and games, which you can download. Hardware consists of physical components you can touch, like your screen, your processor, and yes, your RAM. Asking to download RAM is exactly like asking to download a bigger monitor or a more comfortable chair. It is physically impossible. People often confuse memory with storage. Storage is your hard drive or solid-state drive. It is for long-term data. Memory, or RAM, is for short-term, high-speed tasks. When you download a file, you are saving it to your storage, not your memory. You can download a file that is labeled RAM, but it is just a file sitting in your filing cabinet. It doesn't make your workbench any bigger. So where did this myth come from? It is partly due to a feature called virtual memory. When your real RAM gets full, your computer tries to be helpful by moving some inactive data onto your hard drive temporarily. This uses a swap file. It tricks the computer into thinking it has more memory than it really does, preventing programs from crashing. However, virtual memory is not a free lunch. Hard drives, even fast solid-state drives, are significantly slower than actual RAM. When your computer has to rely on this downloaded or virtual memory, everything slows to a crawl. If you have ever heard your computer's fan spin up while everything freezes, you are likely running out of real RAM and hitting the slow virtual memory wall. You might be thinking, what about cloud gaming or cloud computers? Services like Google Stadia or Shadow PC let you use powerful computers over the internet. In this case, you are using someone else's RAM. You haven't downloaded it to your machine. You are just renting a view of their powerful hardware through a video stream. Your physical computer stays exactly the same. If your computer is slow and you need more memory, there is only one real solution. You have to buy a physical stick of RAM. You must power down your computer, open the case, and snap the new hardware into the motherboard slots. It is a physical upgrade, just like changing the tires on a car. Before you rush out to buy RAM, be careful. Not all RAM is the same. Laptops use smaller sticks called SO-DIMM, while desktops use longer ones called DIMM. Also, there are different generations like DDR3, DDR4, and DDR5. They have notches in different places, so they physically won't fit if you buy the wrong one. Always check your manual first. To summarize, RAM is physical hardware. You cannot download hardware. Any software that claims to give you more memory is likely just adjusting your slow virtual memory settings, or worse, it could be a virus. If you need better performance, save up and treat your computer to a physical upgrade.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.